So once again, I will be recycling a previous project. You will need a cup that looks like this and then 2 of these candle holders. And practically here, what I will be doing is add another of those candle holders so my actual candle holder that we're about to make is taller. So I will be applying E6000 and also hot glue. So this is what we have so far. We have a tall one and we have a shorter one. I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint it with white paint, and then also I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle it in with silver paint, and that's gonna give me kind of a two-dimensional type of paint, if you will. Following that, I will be applying E6000 and I will be adding some of these circular candle holders, and yeah, for the bottom part I will add those smaller mirrors just so it gives it more of a fancy look. And then I had these diamonds that I previously purchased at Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in, and yeah, that's practically it. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and add some gems that I bought at the Dollar Tree in a candle, and this is the final result. It is gorgeous. I hope that you enjoy this tutorial, and I'll see you on my next one. Hasta la vista. Mwah. Adios.